Hello, what's up guys? It's me, Chris Gaming. It's been a while since my last time I recorded this kind of videos, but in today's video I'm going to play It's Raining Tacos. Guys, really love to hear this kind of song. I'm just gonna do this because I don't want my channel to die, So I guess let's get started. I'll try to all perfect this. Okay, this is definitely going to be my first try.
That stupid taco song!
There we go, guys.
Where is it coming from? I don't care, man. It's driving me crazy. I'm deleting all of it.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. It's like a cheese. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Okay, on my first try. Okay, this is just my first try. So okay guys, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this very short video clip of me playing Raining Tacos. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye guys.